Parlok Nongpoh Pijinjar haying hadukan ne hajkatre jongpi phun sha karo water supply ngin penpoi ke kebakhoj kebabang bat kebasinyam phun hau number kendai lai henriu pra iwe pra lane pranyo sau not henriu nyau lai phun sepi penpoi bai hajing pima dukan pima jakatre pima penpoi be ise kini kikor komputer kiba internet badar ni di hajan jongpi hangne hadukan jongi Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex Harishan Enterprise Haka kamera kaba shispa iway refurbished laptop but desktop phun hau number pra iway lai arnot sau pra sansau lane pra lai nyo arnyo sawar drunyo.
To all the 64,000
Myntri Sorkar Bhoi Eksamin ki kampule puthi jong jela urakam sangma hne gisngi ha jing sedang jong jingile exam jong ki khana pule ke jela sha ka Eksamin SSLC kabal peniak da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education ka bagi samla pule ke jela ki bakenthop hadu henrup saw hajar lai spa praphon nyongot bat kum juru sha ki arpo khanda hajar nyo spa nyo plai ngot ki samla ki pansai khon ya ka HSSLC ulai ya ka Kyrwoh sha ki tik samla ka banlong kum ka jing kerkhu kerdo bat ka jing kentu makin yele bah hai kini Eksamin kenang makin nang yolat ban kiu sheki kerdan ki bakham cheneng badro baga jela kan nang yo ban sakhi ya ka jingdon jong ki samla ki bastan ki ban simti ya kalawe jong gari bat ka jaj penriu Shushu ulong ru bone ubanai bagi khana pule ki dei ban penle jingmut bat penlut ya ka por hagikot pule da ka baklet shipor ya ki jing Pynbyrngia kum ka mobile phone ka jingle ka games ka jing pet TV bat kiwe ki badang yolat banle ye kita gikam hadin ka exam.
This morning to all the 64,387 students who are appearing for the SSLC examination 2025 being conducted by Meghalaya Board of School Education, and to 29,773 SSLC students, those who are appearing for the final year of class 12 examination being conducted by Meghalaya Board of School Education. I send my best wishes and my prayer to all the students, to all the parents, and to all the teachers as well as the board members. My dear students, this is a very important journey for all of you, and it's my request to each one of you. You must be very concentrate on your examination time, and during examination times, because it will make a difference on your life journey in the years to come. Therefore, you must consider it's very important months, important weeks for you. Therefore, you must forget the friend, the mobile, the games, the television, every entertainment for the months, because you must concentrate on your studies and you must perform well. Because on your performance, you will bring laurel and pride to your parents, to your community, to your state. Therefore, it's my prayer that every student must perform well. And because we have seen in the last preceding years, the performance of our students, especially in the SSLC examination, is not up to the mark that we expect. Therefore, government has started lots of initiative for each one of you so that you excel in your examination performance. Therefore, once again, it's my request and it's my prayer that every student must perform well, must concentrate very strongly on your studies, on your examination times, and you must forget everything during this time except the books and the lesson. And with prayer, and also you shouldn't forget the God Almighty. You must go to the examination hall with a prayer so that the God Almighty from the above will give you the blessing and the concentration and the good mind. And also, it's my request to all the parents just to keep focus on your children's, on your pupils and your loved ones, so that they will perform, they will give their best in this examination. Once again, I On behalf of the government, on behalf of everybody here, I give my best wishes to all of you.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ni pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei kendai hendru iwe ar nyau lai